Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina and I make cash stuffing content here on my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cash condensing my savings challenge binder. I mentioned this in a previous video just because I noticed how thick it really was. You know, you've got your envelopes in there, you have the cash, you have your little inserts, the trackers themselves, like it can just get super full. So we are going to be doing that. I am playing around with lighting today, so hopefully it's not too dark in here, but we will pull out the savings challenge binder and just go ahead and hop right in. The cash that I have on my tray over here comes from an unstuffing that I did off camera, and it's $488. So hopefully, because I have like the hundreds and 50s and 20s, I will be able to do a lot in here. So that is the goal with any cash condensing, is just getting rid of like all of these bills and condensing into like just a single or like a few bills. So let's see how much Travelopoly has. 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we could do $120, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab the 20. Okay, and then this was 100. So 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so that helps out a lot, like down to 3 bills when we probably had about like 10 sitting there. So that is so nice. This one I just brought in, so there should only be $8 in here, but it's all in singles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm just gonna take kind of like the crummier bills. So that's 4, and we'll just do that one for 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Those bills always go left and right. Okay. So, okay, 52 circles. Let's see how much is in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So we could do $140, or I can keep 2 of these 20s and then just take 100. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And there may be another one that has 100, but first come, first serve is how we're doing this one. Either way, we are going to be decreasing the thickness of these envelopes in a good way. So 20, 30, 40, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a 20 for this. Okay, 20, 40, and 5. My birthday envelope. 50, 70, 80, 90. So we can do a 20. 50, 70, 90. I do have a few trackers in here, so I basically just try to put it behind the category insert. And then Flower Power, this one comes from Celeste Budgets, and I just found out that she is closing her shop. So if you've never purchased from her, definitely go give her some love. I love her products, so I hope everything is going okay with her, but she did announce that I think end of this month is the last time you'll be able to purchase from her. So there's that. 50, 70, 80, 90, 105. So we could do a $50 bill. 20, 30, 40, 50. So 105. I just started this one. There is just a $5 bill in there. This also comes from Celeste Budgets, and I only have $2. Saving Around the World, I haven't yet done. That was a new challenge you were able to add. Emergency Fund, 100, 20, 40, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. So definitely could get a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And well, now I'm like, let's do a 50, because I did not see that before. Okay, so 150, 170. That works out. Okay, and then back here are like my $1 notes, $2 notes. This is kind of like my rollover, and I really don't want, but I did do it on this one. So let me just see what we have going on here. $40 in there, and that's all that we can do. This one has a 50 and 2 10s, so I could do a 20. Okay. $5 notes has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I think I'm just gonna condense it all together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Yeah, we'll just do that because I've got plenty of 20s here, and why not? But I do like to keep the ones, so I think I might still do that, with the exception of how many are in here, because it does look thick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could technically go all the way down to like a 20 and a 5, but I'm trying to think what would be best here. I think I want to keep at least $5 in here because that is helpful when I need to break things. And then I will do a $20 bill for these ones because it is a lot. Definitely a lot. Okay. So that is in there. And then star notes stays alone because we can't change out those star notes. And oh my gosh, that is so nice. Like, such a difference. Honestly, probably because of the ones. Insane. So for the last part of this, I definitely need to make sure that I still have, what was it, $488. So what I like to do is just take all the cash and count it. I use my calculator. I know some of y'all do it, just you can follow your numbers as you're counting it, but I can't. So this is gonna be a sped up count, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, perfect. So we got that $488. I love it when it comes out so even, and then there's not a huge headache. So all of this money will actually be going back to the bank to pay back our credit card, because how we do it here is we have a really, really nice credit card that is helping us with all of our travel adventures that are coming up. And so how we do it is we use our card, and then we unstuff the cash, deposit into the bank, pay the card. So we always are still never spending more than what we know we've got in our envelopes, but we're also getting all of those points. So it takes a lot of self-control, to be completely honest, but we have found that to be the easiest, so we're not walking around with like a ton of cash, or taking the whole envelope because we don't know how we want to spend it, and then we end up spending like more than we wanted. It's crazy, and it's a whole cycle. So this particular situation works for us. So because I had unstuffed this money, I was able to condense my savings challenge binder, and now we'll go and pay this back to the cards. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click this button to the right side of your screen. It'll automatically subscribe you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.